Based on wheels, heartbeat up the street. From your dance nights to concrete heat. No ticket, no stage, just culture and pride. Jamaica build sound, let the speaker decide. Based on wheels, it's real loud and clear. From Kingston Block to world premiere. When the crowd shout, pull it up. That's Jamaica writing music history up.
King Tabby touch knob, echo fly far. Strip the vocal, let drum talk hard. Dub play cut, one tune, one sound. Exclusive power, shake the whole
King Kong, I think I'm the man, King Kong. Yeah, so after King Kong, I'm in the rest. I saw him coming. Yo, he man don't play band, he man few, but he man a war man. Him just a ready.
Hello everyone, I hope all is well. I want to talk about car sound systems in Jamaica. Not because I want to talk about it, really, but because I had a wonderful conversation with some individuals in Jamaica about car sound systems. I went to wash a car before returning it to the owner. And believe me, I was taken on a road of being educated about car sound systems. Jamaica car sound system culture is a rich tradition. It evolved over decades, deeply intertwined with the island's music and community life. And as I heard Big Boss talking about this, I realized that he was so much in love with the music.
In a loose, they want to know, sorry, keep them. Party and spin the casket all about, one next set a man take it.
From the 1970s to today, car sound systems, mobile DJ setups, have always been built into cars or mounted onto trucks, and it has grown to every extent. Where in this yard, there were all sound system men, DJ with their, of course, dub plates and more. Speaker boxes were being made. Everyone in that entire yard is a sound connected person. But let us look at where it started. The Jamaican sound system concept actually began in the 1940s to 60s, with DJs trucking in generators, turntables, and big speaker boxes to host dances. By the 1970s, these mobile box systems have become central part in Jamaica's entertainment. During this era, sound system owners transitioned from merely importing American R&B music by producing their own. And in the 1980s, the sound system gave another movement to modern dancehall, a reggae shift to a faster beat and a more rhythmic beat. Top of this all was a sound system like King Jammy's, Kilimanjaro, Stone Love, Black Scorpio, and many of those. And when Big Boss spoke about these things, he talked about that. And by the 1990s, you had cars really taking a lot of the movement. And car sound systems were part of the formal competition. Music, sound clash, you could see them. And this is where I got to the point that I wanted to know more as Big Boss talked about the music. And here is it. I'm going to allow him to flow and of course come back at some point. But let me tell you, it was a lesson from Big Boss. I learned a lot.
Feel Jamaica, bass pound wheel.
Drunk them bill like soundboy dream. Them shine, sub them scream. From truck to car, revolution start. Hold dance all fit in a hatchback art. Capuchin band, up fit up round. Kingston face off, Montego sound. In the sponsor, clash get real. Who say car sound, car rival steel.
They try to turn it down.
That's what we did. So, what we do? The board. We move on, which are very successful. The people who have been generous, we don't like the England. Was the young Kentucky. To this time, more percent till it starts. I keep well carb, so give them at 10. So you fix generator, your operator can watch, you take your parts, so you listen to this. So what I'm rival is this. I rival, yeah. Give me a King Kong and one patch. One patch out. I am kind of him coming and I don't get result. Okay. Like to say, do you write it? So you do the dub plate with that. Because somebody said that you can bring. Yeah. Admiral Gale. Josie Wheel. Nicky Kochi. Wheeling Sword. Real. But more you tell about the river party. That's it. The river party. Friday night gone. The people are crazy in the river. Like the woman they dash out. Meaning that the woman them just get mad in the water. And it's a good party vibes. Nice. What have you nice. You know, so the party they run till about after 1 to 2 in the morning. Yeah. Then thing they're nice, you know.
We you so and get where they free.
Yeah, we don't.
After the hurricane, we think about this thing.
Well, the hurricane after the hurricane was a sad moment, but you know, as Jamaican, you have people who stand up and pull their heads and decide to fight past the hurricane and just move on to a new life, a new place.
Yeah.
Because the hurricane has teach enough people.
And you're short man. Short man,
Yeah, short bass, mobile
music.
Yeah,
Or generator fixing in Lucy.
But the freak that show shot. Short drive.
Charge drive.
Yeah.
Check him out all the time.
Yes, right,
man.
yes, so.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
we
yeah,
don't
so.
system, man. But
Yeah.
system.
Yeah.
But just keep it going and bring you then.
All the way to a sound man. All the sound man, yeah. That the man in the Pepper Squad theme sound over the stuff.
Okay.
The man Neil again a bad sound like me too.
Okay.
See the way of King Kong sound. But see, what are we get out right at that show?
So,
Not a little sparrow, shoot out,
so win.
hit the active. Well, see the man there, you know. When the King Kong.
I think
I'm the man. I'm the man. King Kong. Yeah. So, and then after King Kong, I'm the director.
I thought when coming.
Yo, he man don't play band man. Him know him a few, but he man a war man. Him just a regular.
So you sing war song too.
We have everything man like this in the war. So
Never hard and pull up.
we have me.
So tell me about
Me like the war. Me like the war
what you
man.
want? Me like a grave ticket. All the grave ticket.
No, we don't play certain type of song. We don't play a music. We play more so like, what I say, calypso. Yeah.
But sometimes you see some people dance about some casket sometimes.
Yeah, where that come from? It's a funeral business like. But
What kind of thing?
funeral, like how the last.
If me and you used to go to church, I went to church, you see that we want to come to see people that go outside, that's it.
Yeah, well, remember I said the kids you know, new generation.
If your piece say it should change, I should have
Well, people come and change their own thing.
What you think, brother?
You know,
If you
remember
change,
one time man,
change, people change.
people change it. People change the style. Can't check this. I'm going to walk for keep this going to lose with a casket. Now I'm a little see that.
In a loose, they walk in a
home for keep them. Party and spin the casket all about one next set a man take it. What about last week on Monday, last week Wednesday? I see them carry the casket go tour him and come back then. They
Wow.
put it on a boat
They put it on a boat.
and go tour him out the water and come back along. There was a fisherman. And he drive earth too.
Oh, so they will give a special
They
one.
give a special one. So I work for different things.
You think change up so fast, so sometimes we come and make sister think that Mr. Boy, and where they get that from? You understand me?
No, but remember say Jamaican creative, you know.
Because I come back, you know, prepare my mother, Kenny 14, and I say, yo, but I get out there, you know. And because they say, you're mad, man, you have to go out there,
If you don't do it, man, you man, them burn out your man. You can't do that, brother. If the poorest of the poorest of the poorest, then you don't think I want our friend or our family member and say, yo, we are going to do this. I want for people to pray without no money because they are going to pay for free. They pray at the candlelight, and the grave begin, the dead ash is free, no money. I make people have a good time and enjoy
So
themselves.
that's your mission.
Yeah, you know, people enjoy themselves and show them, come and show me appreciation. And so come now, other people that check me and say, yo, I mean like you did do the other day, and some people might not have it, some might say, how much you play? You know what I mean? I mean, just minimize the thing where everybody can afford it. And we do have a good time, because it's like a party. They are like back in the days, you know, where you knock tambourine and
And then they
you
see them
stone.
stone. Now,
And touch pad cover and grade that.
wait, say, wait.
Good young man, the way they are.
That
Yeah.
one girl and
Why? Yeah, them song there, them
Done.
thing there, done with. I this I do it, you know. The mobile them thing, you know. This
And
I
then,
do
yeah,
it.
then one day, I think my mother-in-law funeral. And guess what? At 6:30 me, the man still sing up a road.
Yeah, man, and you have bodies now. New
Generator fixer and big bass as it relates to music.
Yeah.
I have wood.
deal. Next year, man, I'm a virgin them fix generator to play music too. As we say, one circle, a paper squad there, so your hands. King Kong sound. You know what I mean? Sharp bass himself. And then over there say a big and black sound system, kind of 3 column in another shop there.
Okay.
Big sound, is that sound here?
Yeah.
The yard is a sound yard. All over the assembly, sound, mobile sound, in a car right there, son. See box of bills, see them there. Every day thing.
So the bill box over there?
Yeah, we're doing box we assembly for. We do everything right there, son.
Okay.
Right there, son. So we run the car wash. All the man there selector. He must select a sound over that. See how we run the shipping company, we shipping the arms them. Oh, you speak of them, yeah, everything you say, shipping, JDA, shipping. Okay. So it's a one syndicate, a one body of people, who are we have to afraid?
Yeah, man, yeah.
We live like a brother, yes, sir. Sometimes more come out of the meeting, we know that, but at the end of the day, now go to the right to that here.
History. Down at Kingston Lane, lamp post like low. Truck back load up, speaker them show. Tamang started, whole place shake. Coxon and Duke, great raise this stake. R&B spin, but the people want more. So Jamaica build sound from around back door. Scar start jump, rock steady slow. Baseline talk, what bread you won't show.
Bass pan wheels, heartbeat of the street. From your dance nights to concrete heat. No ticket, no stage, just culture and pride. Jamaica build sound, let the speaker decide. Bass pan wheels is real loud and clear. From Kingston Black to world premiere. When the crowd shout, pull it up. That's Jamaica writing music history up.
King Tabby touch knob, echo fly far. Strip the vocal, let drum talk hard. Dub play cut, one tune, one sound. Exclusive power, check the whole compound. DJ toast like newspaper headline. Politics struggle up in rhyme. Sound system bigger than party scene. It was message movement in between.
Digital rhythm boss, slang ting drop. Jammy light fuse, culture can't stop. Yellow man chat, ten us a one. Ring the alarm till morning barn. Clash time now, sound versus sound. Crowd decide who wear the crown. Kilimanjaro, stone love name. Bass become weapon in a lyrical game.
Bass pound wheels, know that I'm fear. From inner city yard to global here. When the speaker box noise like tower of fear. Of in Jamaica, bass pound wheels.
Bass pan wheels.
Louder than fear. From inner city yard to global here. When the speaker box rise like tower of steel. You feel Jamaica, bass pound wheels.
Trunk them build like soundboy dream. Am them shine, sub them scream. From truck to car, revolution start. Old dance all fit in a hatchback art. Capuchin band, up fit up round. Kingston face off, Montego sound. In the sponsor, clash get real. Who say car sound, car rival steel.
They try turn it down,
No, it's loud.
curfew time.
Culture can't be mute.
You can pause the speaker, but you can't silence the people.
Japan, Europe, America call. World class stage, Jamaica stand tall. Bass of the sea, heritage alive. String up speaker, old school survive. Laptop now replace the crate, but crowd reaction still seal fate. From street corner dance to festival light. Sound system still all culture tight.
Bass pan wheels, legacy roll on. From barefoot night, still digital down. No sound system, no reggae scene. No dancehall vibes, no global dream. Bass pan wheels, history still play. Every time selector, press play. From the heart to world, truth reveal. Jamaica build culture.
This wasn't just music, it was survival, it was voice, it was freedom in vibration. From yard to car to world.